My name is Adrian with Project Ramos, and on this channel I do tech reviews and tech unboxings. So if you're into that type of content, consider subscribing. This is a tripod ball head mount for action cameras such as GoPros and the new DJI action cameras. Now the construction of this ball head mount is it's made very well. It's made of aluminum. As you can see here, this piece in red is made of aluminum, and I have it already mounted here onto the ball head, but I'll go ahead and remove it here. So this is a piece that's going to go onto your camera. Then the ball head mount here also removes from this base here. So the ball head mount, what I really like about this ball head mount is the fact that it has this really large knuckle here. So it's real easy to loosen and adjust the angle that you need and then tighten it back up. And just like every other ball head mount, you also get this little notch here. So if you need to place your camera in a 90-degree angle, you can do that very easily with this ball head. Now the bottom plate here is magnetic, and these magnets are very strong. And I'll get it close here to the camera, and you can see the little cutouts of where the little magnets are placed here. But the grip of the base of this is very strong. It's going to be able to hang on to whichever metallic or metal surface you attach this to. It's going to be able to hang on very strongly. Now this whole little kit here comes with this carrying case here. All three pieces fit in here, and then it zips up, and it's a hard case. So it's a semi-hard case, so it's going to be able to protect these items very well. So I think that's very cool that this comes with that carrying bag there. There is one issue that I found, but I also found a way to mitigate the issue, and that is the fact that the mounting piece that goes onto your action camera, once you do place your action camera in here, the mounting piece doesn't seem to clamp down tight enough, and you really have to, well, you have two choices here, and I'll show you what I mean here. I have the GoPro action camera here. Oh, I'm sorry, the DJI Action 3 camera. So I'm going to put it in the little adapter here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And I've seen some reviews showing that they're complaining about this piece here. So I did find a couple ways to mitigate the issue. Now, if I just tighten this down, you'll see that the camera still can move around a little bit. It doesn't hold it perfectly still. Now, one choice that you have is to really tighten this down really, really tight to the point where it won't turn anymore. And now your camera will be secure in there, but you do have to tighten it pretty tight. And that may not be desirable. So the second option that I found is the DJI Action 3 camera does come with its own attachment here. The issue with, well, not the issue, but the thing about this attachment is that it uses adhesive to be able to mount onto something, to a surface, whereas this one is magnetic. So that's the reason why I brought this one in, because I don't want to permanently attach this attachment onto a surface. But if you take the screw that comes with this one, that comes with the DJI, and use that with the attachment that comes with this kit here, then you'll find that you can actually screw this down a lot easier, and it hangs on to the camera a lot better. So I'm just going to give it a real quick turn here, and then you'll see that the camera's on here a lot more secure. It doesn't move around like it did with this screw. I know that's not ideal, but everything else about this mounting kit is made very well. This ball head is very good. The magnets on the base really grab onto metal surfaces really well. The only issue is just this little piece here. But again, as I said, you can mitigate this issue by either using the screw that comes with the DJI mount, or you can use the screw that comes with this kit, but you really got to tighten that down, and it will grab onto the camera. But again, you're going to have to tighten it down really tight. But using the included one that came with my DJI camera, I can pretty easily get this in place, and now this is on there pretty secure. So only one issue that I found, you can mitigate the issue that I found with this kit. And then you'll see in other reviews that other buyers of this kit have found the same issue where it's a little loose than what they want. So a word of caution to any of you that are looking for a kit like this to be able to use your action camera in situations where you're going to be going high speeds or you're going to be going through bumpy roads. This is probably not the best kit to choose for those situations, but if you're going to be using this kit to place your action camera in a stationary position, this kit should do fine for you.